This truck's passenger window is fixed now, but the owner says it was broken into during last week's winter storm. She says someone saw it on the side of the road when it was stuck in the snow and abandoned.
Thursday, I was on my way to pick up my kids from school in the snow.
And this parent wasn't the only one forced to ditch her car when winter weather hit the metro last week.
And I slid off of the road and into the ditch. And I just wasn't able to get out, so I had to leave my truck there.
But when she came back on Saturday, just a couple days later, she was shocked at what she found.
I was worried about the truck getting smashed into by a car. I wasn't really worried about someone smashing in the window, honestly.
But you can see in these pictures that's exactly what happened. But it went beyond the window. The thieves took expensive items in the car that were too big for her to take with her.
I was just shocked, really, and scared. Like it feels very like violating, you know. But mostly I was just really surprised that someone would have done that.
Now she's hoping anyone who drove the stretch of road near 36th Avenue and East Cedar Lane might have seen something or even had dash cam video.
Even if they just heard the glass breaking or something. It's really disappointing.
Colby Terrell, KOCO 5 News.